To get started, go to your Meta Ads Manager and click on the Create button. Next, choose your campaign objective. You can select from all these options. For this example, we'll select leads as our objective since it's designed to capture potential customers. Next, click Continue. You'll now be taken to your campaign screen where you can complete your campaign level setup. After you're done with this, click on your ad set from the left sidebar and scroll until you reach the conversions section. Here, select WhatsApp as your preferred conversion location. Next, scroll down and select your Facebook page. Then, either choose one of your existing phone numbers from the drop-down or click on the Connect Another Number button to add a new number. After this, you can continue setting up other settings in the ad set. Then click on your ad from the sidebar and scroll down to the chat builder section. Here, you can either use the pre-built welcome message, you can click on the edit button and make edits to it, and then click on the save button to save it, or you can create a new message by clicking on the create template button here. Then select whether you want to create a normal message or a message with a WhatsApp flow form, and then click on Next button to configure it. When you've finished, click Save. Then complete the rest of your ad setup. When you're done setting up the ad, and click on Publish. And that's it. Your Click to WhatsApp ad is now live. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to capture and manage leads coming in from these ads.